Message received today.
Hi, Cash. It's Keith. Can yourself or Harry please give me a call back?
Message deleted.
No.
Yes, these two are not happy with Foreman Keith.
We had a phone call from Keith making accusations that my plumber butchered the sewer point.
It all started with round one of Harry versus Keith.
What's going on here? I just tried to access Harry's house and he's blocked it off. Any barricades, you come and see us. You don't just put them up. You come and see us.
How am I going to lay my floor?
You just lay it, mate.
See, the problem with the other houses, though...
Mate, I don't care.
Keith isn't a very... well, let's put it this way. He's not a very softly spoken person.
And then round two came right before the challenge.
Your plumber's actually pulled all the stormwater system apart under the house.
He's...
And we're quite annoyed. It's a huge job now to fix it. And Marty, our site plumber, wants to charge Harry $2,000 or $3,000 to fix this up.
So we call
called our
that...
plumber to check.
We had a phone call from Keith. Apparently the sewer piping has impacted on the way they're running their stormwater.
Yeah, I spoke to Marty about that.
He was actually surprised that this was brought up. He was like, no. He goes, of course I spoke to Marty.
And what did he say?
He said he'll work around it because it's a charged system, so it doesn't have to be level, yeah? So they can just go underneath it.
Yeah.
So I actually then rang Keith back and told him what was said. My plumber had a conversation with Marty. I don't want to get charged anything if there's a discussion had and my plumber did the right thing and contacted Marty.
Have you become the boss now, Harry?
No, I'm not becoming the boss. I'd like to have that conversation in person. It's either his way or the highway.
Mate, I'm telling you now, it's black and white.
Marty's going to repair it himself.
And we're going to give you a bill of at least
$2,000.
That's how it's going to be, mate.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
See ya.
Now, Harry's back on site.
I was very angry. I was very upset with Keith.
And Keith is right there, waiting for Harry.
Hey, Harry. Can I see you for a sec, mate?
Uh-oh.
You rang me? I was trying to... Rather than waiting until I come on site to have a discussion, you automatically assume that my plumber did the wrong thing.
He did. Mate, anyway, what's going to happen, right? We get a bill of $2,000 minimum.
I'm not paying for it. Sorry, Keith.
Mate, unfortunately, you are.
I'm sorry. I'm not paying for it.
See you, mate.
Pay for yourself, Keith. Look, I'm not happy the way that whole conversation went. We try and do the right thing by the block, by the foreman. Whenever there's an issue, we resolve it straight away. And I won't back down on things I believe in. So my plumber will be here sometime this week. We'll get sorted.